Today we are giving you insight into our production. We are standing right in the middle of our production line, and you can see our serious production of half-cabin vehicles. Currently we are producing 4 vehicles per week of this type, and each of them, and this is important for your safety, comes with a fully COC approval. After successfully completing all the tests, we are happy to supply you with the safest half-cabin highloaders.